Hey, it's Danielle from Elevated AI, and I am so excited to talk to you about Notebook LM today. It is something I have been using and bragging to all my friends about in K-12 for months. And my college that I'm now working for, the professors are starting to catch on, and everybody is psyched. It is a Google product, so it integrates nicely with all of your tools, and I'm going to just show you really quick how it works. Last week I had this assignment where I had to read a 250-page book for my class. And by read, I mean skim, I guess. I don't know. 250 pages in a week is a lot. Anyway, I uploaded it. It's a PDF to Notebook LM. You can add all kinds of things. You can add your Google Docs, but you can also add websites, YouTubes. You can add podcasts. You can copy and paste text. And look at this, 50 sources you can add. It's amazing. Anyway, so you add all the texts, and then of course you can also discover new sources. But the thing I love to do the most, that I do most frequently, is I create an audio overview. It ends up being a podcast, and not just like boring, like, like, I don't know, monotone voices. This is a legit podcast where they kind of make jokes and they make statements that are kind of, dad joke funny. It's great. So this 250-page book went from me having to read it for ages to a 22-minute and 5-second podcast. You want to listen?
Have you ever stopped to think about why we seem to constantly push for more technology in schools?
Oh, def.
I mean, I'm already hooked. I'm joking. That was not really all that exciting. But you can also create study guides, FAQs. The briefing doc has saved me a few times. And another great thing is that you can actually interact with it in real time. So what is the main idea? It's going to tell me. And just imagine you're adding source after source after source, and then you can ask the questions to get the idea as quickly as possible. Take a look at this. It also includes citations. It's amazing. Hope you'll check it out. Let me know how you like it.